Welcome back to the Basics Hub. Today, we're diving into the best tools for minimal effort home organization. Whether you're looking to declutter your space or simply keep things tidy, these tools will make your life easier without requiring a lot of time or effort. Let's get started. Tool 1. 3 MHooks. First up, we have 3 MHooks. These tool-free hooks are perfect for hanging items like bags, hats, or kitchen utensils. They're easy to install and renter-friendly, making them a great option for quick organization. Just peel, stick, and hang, no tools required. Tool 2. Rope bins. Next, let's talk about decorative rope bins. These versatile bins can quickly tidy up spaces like living rooms or playrooms. Use them to store everything from toys to magazines while adding a stylish touch to your decor. They're not only functional but also look great. Tool 3. Cleaning Caddy. Keep your cleaning supplies organized with a portable cleaning caddy. This allows you to easily transport all your essentials from room to room, making cleaning more efficient. No more running back and forth for supplies. Tool 4. Rolling carts. Rolling carts are fantastic for decluttering surfaces in areas like laundry rooms or bathrooms. They can hold supplies and be moved around as needed, keeping your space organized without much effort. Plus, they add extra storage wherever you need it. Tool 5. Over-the-door organizers. Maximize vertical space with over-the-door organizers. These are perfect for shoes, snacks, or even toys. They keep frequently used items easily accessible while saving valuable floor space. Tool 6. Modular organizers and bins. Investing in modular organizers and bins can make a huge difference. Use clear bins under sinks or in cabinets to categorize household items. This way, you can easily see what you have and keep everything organized. Tool 7. Lazy Susans. Lazy Susans are perfect for making items easily accessible without digging through clutter. Use them in your pantry or cabinets to organize spices, snacks, or cleaning supplies. Everything is just a spin away. Tool 8. Index cards for labeling. Use index cards as labels for boxes and bins to help everyone in the household know where things belong. This simple labeling system makes it easier to maintain organization over time. Tool 9. Binder clips. Binder clips are incredibly versatile. Use them to keep cords organized or hold cash and cards together in your wallet. They reduce clutter in drawers and bags while being super affordable. Tool 10. Daily declutter tools. Set aside a few minutes each day to tidy up high-traffic areas with a designated bin for collecting items that need to be put away. This helps maintain order effortlessly without overwhelming effort. And there you have it, some of the best tools for minimal effort home organization. With these handy items, you can create a more organized living space without spending hours on tidying up. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Basics Hub for more creative ideas. Share your favorite organizing tool in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.